Bangkok is a fantastic city with plenty to offer all types of travelers. For instance, if you venture farther into the city and venture off the typical tourist paths, you can find a rather unique restaurant called Hajime Robot Restaurant. When you get there, you'll first have to choose whether you want to cook for yourself or purchase pre-made traditional Thai, Japanese, or European foods. A humorous samurai robot will show up with everything you need after you place your purchase. After your dinner is finished, the robot will remove the used dishes. These clever robots are excellent mood enhancers. They frequently flirt and act endearingly. Children visiting with you may even put on a dancing performance for you. The average bill at the restaurant is usually not more than $20, which is fairly reasonable given the pricing. For everyone who is interested in robotics, this is a site they simply must visit. You won't be disappointed. Ratio Cafe and Lounge, the first fully automated cafe lounge in the world, has launched in Singapore. The establishment, which is housed in the Centrepoint Mall, uses robots to make drinks, giving guests a singular experience. The cafe has robotic arms that can prepare more than 50 various kinds of drinks, such as tea, coffee, cocktails, and other specialty drinks. Orders can be placed by customers via the cafe's interactive screens or a mobile application. Following the order, the robotic arms precisely mix and serve the drinks, guaranteeing a constant level of flavor and quality. Ratio serves a variety of snacks and entrees, including salads, toasts, and desserts, in addition to beverages. The world's first self-cleaning personal chef robot was developed by the British company Molly Robotics. The robot kitchen is a suspended device that has two movable manipulators that are designed to resemble a chef's delicate hand movements. British chef Tim Anderson taught the robot in traditional culinary routines and skills. Algorithms were used to convert Anderson's 3D captured culinary techniques into the movements of the robot. With assurance, the gadget mimics hand motions and can also fetch items from a smart refrigerator, control temperature, use kitchenware in the sink, mix, measure, and carry out more operations. The robot costs roughly $333,000, which is about the same as the average UK apartment or small yacht. In spite of this, 1,200 inquiries from prospective purchasers have already been sent to the developer. The inventors anticipate that there will eventually be more than 5,000 recipes available on the robot, and that the menu will be updated on a monthly basis. Keeping up with technology advancements, the startup Hyperfood Robotics has created a fully automated fast food restaurant. This cutting-edge restaurant has robots that take care of every aspect of the kitchen, including making pizzas, burgers, salads, and other items, without the need for human assistance. The facility is a container kitchen with 20 AI-powered cameras, 120 sensors, and 2 robotic arms. Using 3 convection ovens, a conveyor system, an automatic slicer and packager, 30 pizza warming cabinets, and ingredient storage systems, the robots can produce up to 50 pizzas in an hour. The robots carry out every activity on their own, including packing completed dishes and kneading dough. They even utilize ozonated water, which destroys bacteria and viruses, to clean themselves every 40 minutes. The Business Cafe X has introduced a completely self-sufficient coffee shop that can make drinks without the need for human intervention. With the help of a mechanical arm, their robotic barista makes coffee to order at their robotic coffee bar 2.0. This is a useful solution for providing quick, high-quality beverage service in a variety of settings, including malls, office buildings, and airports. It is not only a technological innovation. The unit may be positioned practically any place and only takes about 40 square feet. Through a kiosk or an application, customers may place drink orders, and a robot will carefully prepare a selection of beverages. The first fully autonomous robot in the world has been created by the French business Podsy Robotics to make pizza. The centerpiece of Podsy is its robotic pizzeria, where every step of creating a pizza, from kneading the dough to baking and serving, is mechanized. Up to 100 pizzas may be made by the robots in an hour, greatly boosting output without compromising quality. Software known as MyKey manages all aspects of the process, including scheduling, inventory control, quality assurance, and product tracking via computer vision and sensor systems. Apart from advanced automation, Podsy prioritizes the quality of their cuisine. Thierry Graffagnino, a 3-time world pizza champion, contributed to the recipe development. Because of this, the pizzas that the robots make taste fantastic and are ready quickly. A robotic kitchen assistant called Good Bites, a German business, has taken over all daily culinary duties. With the use of modern automation and artificial intelligence, the robot can prepare up to 150 meals in an hour or 3,000 meals a day, boosting productivity, cutting labor costs, and enhancing menu possibilities. Through the platform, customers may increase their menu portfolio with ad-based recommendations, scale their business with a virtual brand licensing platform, and produce personalized cookbooks featuring their distinctive dishes. The Hajime Robot Catering Group has unveiled a completely automated restaurant in China. Robotic devices handle all aspects of the operation, from cooking to serving. The restaurant uses more than 40 robots to produce and serve almost 200 different dishes, including fast food, heated dinners, and traditional Chinese cuisine. Robotic waiters use touchscreens to take orders. When the meal is prepared, it is brought to each table either by robots navigating the dining area on trays or by using a unique SkyRail system. The robot chefs can produce up to 120 dishes in an hour and are trained by watching the techniques of seasoned chefs. Up to 600 customers can be served at once by the restaurant's robotic system, which guarantees a quick and hygienic experience by minimizing human touch and lowering the danger of infection. If you'd like to go to a restaurant like this, please let us know in the comments. A restaurant with robots preparing and serving food has also debuted in the US. From cooking to serving, everything will be managed by artificial intelligence, and patrons will be able to observe the robot chef Flippy 2 in action. Customers use widgets on an interactive screen to place orders, and then watch as robots package fries, grill hamburger patties, and pour drinks. Flippy 2's engineers at Misa Robotics think it will resemble some sort of attraction for tourists. The robot's motions about the kitchen are made simpler and more controlled by the rails they are fixed to. These are essentially robotic arms with the ability to lift, move, grasp, and lower objects. The AI system takes care of tasks like creating patties, grinding beef, and applying sauces. China's first robot restaurant is not just a novelty, it's a glimpse into the future of dining. As automation continues to advance, the traditional food industry can be on the verge of a massive transformation. Whether this will mean more efficiency, convenience, and creativity in food preparation, or the loss of countless jobs, only time will tell. What do you think? Are robot-run restaurants the future, or do we still crave that human touch? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.